Hello everyone. Everything I'm about to explain has been tested and confirmed by the mechanics here in the shop, so don't worry, we'll take it step by step. Reassuring. Look, when a customer comes in with the active hood malfunction message on their Mercedes-Benz, the first thing we do is ease their concern. This has nothing to do with the engine or the car breaking down. What's failing is the active hood system, which is a safety feature designed to slightly lift the hood in case of a pedestrian impact to reduce injuries. When the system detects something unusual, it deactivates itself and triggers that warning. Now, a lot of customers come in saying, "I didn't hit anything," and the message still showed up, and that's very common. Chuckles. In the shop, we usually say something like, "That system is so sensitive that any abnormal reading can trigger it. It doesn't take a major impact. Sometimes a hard pothole or even a minor bump is enough for the system to think something happened." On the other hand, we also see customers who notice the message appears out of nowhere when starting the car, or it disappears and then comes back. That usually points to the front impact sensors, which can be dirty, wet, or starting to fail. When they send inconsistent signals, the system protects itself and throws the warning. Building on what we see every day, there are cases where the system may have actually been triggered without the customer noticing. A small impact might have slightly activated the hood actuators, and once that happens, the system locks itself until it's inspected. As one of our shop techs says, once the hood deploys, even a little, it won't reset on its own. You've got to work on it. We also can't overlook the electrical side because we've seen several cars where the issue was just a loose wire or a bad connector. I remember one customer who thought it was going to be an expensive repair, and it turned out to be just a poor connection. We fixed it, cleared the code, and it was good as new. Meanwhile, when a customer wants a clear solution, we always start with a diagnostic scan to pinpoint exactly which component is failing. If it's the sensors, we inspect or replace them. If the actuators were triggered, they often need to be replaced since they're designed as a one-time safety mechanism. After that, we reset the system so the warning disappears and everything goes back to normal.